It's Thursday, February 18th. Last full day in Jamaica. Just took out my hair. Gonna go wash it. Gonna go get it braided. Yep, it's that time. So excited! And yeah, we're just here watching videos on WhatsApp. I'm with my mom, and I'm gonna go get ready. And we're gonna go in town and get this day sorted. And then fun later on with Fuffy, because it's a... It's our last day. Trying to leave, and this is happening right now. Yeah. Yep. This is pretty much what happened all of last week. And now it's our last day, and this is what's happening. Can you just calm down a little bit, please? I'm trying to go and do my stuff, okay? I have things to do. Thank you. Lord. Thank you. This eases up a little bit. I'll be going back in town, or I'll be going in town to go and take care of what I need to take care of, get my hair done, and start my day. It's already almost 12. It's like after 11. So the first quarter of the day is gone. Oh my god. I'm at Bay City. I got my food. And Angie got her fish. I got my barbecue fried chicken. It's just them fried, then put barbecue sauce on it and then bake it, you know. And my rice and peas, and then the fish with the curry gravy because the sauce never done yet.
And macaroni salad.
We have pasta.
Macaroni salad without just the macaroni and you call it?
Vegetables?
No. Mayonnaise.
Before I get my hair done. So guys, I'm currently in the process of braiding my hair. As you can see, I've been doing this now. I don't know why she said we started at 2 when we actually started at 1:30. But wait there. Where this era go? Should not get 2.5. Should not get 2.5 if this not done. We don't have that much left. Is it a lot left? Half of it is. Half of it is. There's only like this little bit left. You guys see? I love it, and it's red. You know, you have to catch them on camera, you know? Them way this, them sneaky with it. I love twists. When it's hot. When the hot water touch it and ting. God. Angie, we're tired. But you say the burgundy and what? You say it would've looked good? Oh. Yeah, I don't know. There's something about burgundy. I just love it. But anyways, you guys like my hair? Thumbs up if you like it. This is only costing me 2,500 Jamaican dollars, which is equivalent to $25 in Canadian money, okay? Okay? Yeah. This is why anytime you come to Jamaica, you're off the leave and braid hair because it's too much money in foreign. 120, 130, 100 if you're lucky. Or if you know people like me would do it for free, or like half that, then you're lucky. But other than that, yeah, this is what it costs, okay? Anyways, I'll catch you guys when I'm a little bit closer to being done or done. It's so tight. Like, so tight. But so beautiful. and succulent. You know them with it? People, so this is where we reach now. It's after 5. Here's some reach. Yes, that's the hairdresser.
Don't say that because she is the reason she left on half an hour.
No, I said this is the hairdresser. I never said nothing.
Okay.
I just said, no, I have to update them because I updated them when it was like an hour. So I'll tell them to know it's like a couple hours now and I'm almost done. I just have this left and we're done. Yes, and then I will show you guys.
And she going all burgundy.
All burgundy.
Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp.
Yes, YouTube. That's what we think they don't. She's talking to Douglas. She's talking to her husband. Say hi, doggy.
I don't know.
She's not coming back. So stop asking. She's not coming back till after 8:20 p.m. tomorrow. Then you can ask her if she's coming back. But until then, she's mine. So just send the credit.
You said why you never tell him that before?
Send the credits. I joke, Douglas. I joke. I'm not leaving. I'm gonna be here for the dance next month. Come here, I'll come and dance.
Oh, you know, she's not doing it.
I could come back, eh? I not have visa, passport me use. We can't come back.
She said she can't come. She can't come.
Bobby! Ganja! Very full.
I understand. Alright, later.
I have time to go and buy two show. When you tell them about that kind of money. They tell you about that kind of money. That's why you don't buy it. You want me to spend out of previous day and pay your twice.
You really have video that could make up your face?
Yes. So they understand how painful it is.
Never you do that in your life again.
You see them?
Tell them now. Tell them. Tell them now. PNP you said no. Lesbian and Batman you said no.
No, sir.
So what make you have to turn for your head?
I'm in a mix.
Yes.
Sure. Cheer cocky to man.
I joke me avec.
Yo, you're here Jamaican. I'm maroon, we fight for Jamaican. Kill any nation.
I want to know me not vote.
Yay or nay? Yay or nay? Uno like it or uno don't like it? Saw my stick, you know. Did you see it? Yes. Oh, it looks good from this angle. Can't leave it down just yet, you know, because it's away. It's tight away, Jesus. Anyways, a couple more. Tutti Frutti! We're going to Tutti Frutti, guys. This, I think, will be my last time for keeping guard for me. And stuff. So yes, this is Tutti Frutti. It's right beside KFC. This is where you get your frozen yogurts. And this is how it looks when you go inside. Okay. This is how it looks when you go inside. You push your way through. Come on, let's go, let's go. Hello, remember, $300 or less, okay? You understand? Do you understand? Right. Okay, so there's rum and, oh, let me zoom in. Rum and raisin, tiramisu, coconut, peaches and cream, strawberry, lychee, NSA vanilla, I don't know what the hell that is, chocolate, lychee, sorrel, black forest, cookie dough, red velvet. Kadian, there's red velvet cheesecake and birthday cake and nasty cotton candy. But we come back from a sorrel because I got my ones. So these are the cups you choose from. You pick a cup. Wait, where's my hand? Oh, there it goes. There, you pick a cup. Hello, we don't have all day.
What is this song?
This one is sorrel. That is $300. This is $300.
That is not $300.
Always. You know how much I'm away by the phone? I'm joking. No. This one, everybody knows what the hell she's gonna get. I think you should put. I was gonna say, I think you should have put the sorrel first before you put the cheesecake. But mix it. It's yogurt. It's not like ice cream, so you know. Look at the color. Like, do you see how hot? When I tasted it yesterday. Okay, wait, hold this. I need more actually. Okay, I'm done. Such a nerd. Her ramen is nice. Nah. I don't like cream.
What's that?
Tiramisu?
Yeah, what's that? Can I taste the coconut?
That's like one of my favorite desserts. Tiramisu.
Can I taste the coconut?
So what do I do? $300. $300. Okay? Oh. You have your money, so I'm not worry about you. Say bye to the vlog, Stammer. Tell the people then bye.
Bye.
Until next time. Can you?
Next time.
Until next time.
Money in my account.
You're so dumb. With your make sure this belly is gone the next time I come back. Yeah, idiot. Bye, guys. Drive safe. Let me know when you get home. Bye. What? You're 9. This is my last supper, you guys. My last dinner. Chicken and hard bread. I like breast and wing. What type of or what part of the chicken do you guys like? Comment below. Let me know. I know people like leg and thigh or leg and wing, but breast and wing is the bomb.com. What do you guys like? Let me know. Hi guys. So that's my last night in Jamaica. Technically no, because I'm leaving at night, so I pretty much have the whole day tomorrow here. But I'm going to be spending my whole day tomorrow getting ready to leave. So, you know, but, yeah. It was a good trip, obviously, always. I got to see my family and my friends. And that's pretty much what Jamaica is all about to me. It's not about the beaches and, like, all the other tourist attractions and stuff. Like, you know, like, it's about family and fun and memories and stuff like that. So I think my mission was accomplished. There was some squabbles here and there, but overall, I had a good trip. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed now. This is my bed. My dad's chairs I'm sleeping on. Oh, I look so horrible. My dad's chairs I'm sleeping on tonight. And yeah, my fan, well, not my fan, but fan and ting and ting.